Design Squad Global offers authentic opportunities for middle school youth around the world to collaborate on real-world engineering projects.
Design Squad Global is young people learning to open up their mind to a whole world of possibilities.
It's STEM education, it's global competencies, it's creating the future leaders.
Funded by the National Science Foundation and the Lemelson Foundation, after-school programs around the world are working together to design solutions to help people in their communities.
So the kids wanted to make a step stool where the grandma can get on it and reach something that's high. And they put a cushion on the top, and underneath they put old tire tracks that they cut up because they didn't want the stool to slide around on the concrete floor. They were really excited about it.
So they designed a solar panel cushion for senior citizens that'll give them massages while they rest.
A medicine wall where they would drop medicine into little tubes and they would go into these little cups of water for them daily.
Once they finish designing, partner sites present their engineering solutions to each other.
The main thing was also for young people to interact.
Because even the concept of like someone across the world is seeing their work, it's mind-blowing to them.
Their interaction sometimes results in a few surprises.
The perception that our kids had about the kids in South Africa, that they were poor, malnutritious, not fed, not happy.
Kids in South Africa are convinced that US kids are very rich.
And my kids are like, rich? Like, that doesn't describe us at all. So it was really good to see them break down those cultural barriers that are stereotypes.
And it was really fun to see them that they understand that we all live in countries with challenges.
The project is having a significant, measurable impact on kids and educators. After participating in DSG, kids increase their understanding of engineering, their interest in people and places around the globe, and their confidence that they could solve problems and create change. And educators increase their comfort leading engineering activities and collaborating with educators from other countries. DSG is being disseminated in the US and countries across Asia, Africa, Europe, and South America, enabling kids all over the world to work together to solve real-world problems.
For us in our country, engineering is still a predominantly male industry, and our girls sometimes are scared to use their imagination. It just opened up their minds a bit to thinking about how they could get these kind of jobs, how they could go into this industry.
When I talk about it with my boss, with the people that I work with, it's like I am from the future.